Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today, don't you guys remember the, well not today, it was today, but don't you remember I did this? Like we got this. Now this is actually not a tutorial, but I'm actually going to play a game soon, like a full game. So, it's going to be maybe today, maybe, I don't know what I'm going to do about this. But, yeah, I'm just going to do one more tutorial. Actually, today, I don't know why I said I'm not going to do it. Whatever. Sorry. Today, I'm going to tell you this thing. I'm just going to tell you if you don't want to watch the second video. So the first letter we're gonna say 4 right there. Second 7, which is right there, and then third, which is 6, and it's right over here on this flip, like that 9 that looks like a 9. Flip it over and we make a 6. Yeah, he tells you that. So it's 6. So it's 4. Yeah, you already know the passcode, but yeah, and then you go and the final answer is right there. So that's how you do it. And also, don't forget about the full let's play of this. I'm trying to get every single thing. So yeah. See you later, guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye bye.